Hey everybody, this is Gaynor Meilke with Charisma and the Conscious Success Plan and Accounting Ignited. So this is really a program that I put together that is all about attention restoration therapy. And we're doing 52 weeks of attention restoration therapy, which is in an ebook that you can download at charismainc.com or accountingignited.com. And we also have a journal as well if you want to look at where you are and the goals you have for yourself and your team and how to get there with more focus. This is the program for you. So when I say program, it's really a series of practices. And my hope is that you'll take away these practices and they'll just become habits that you find rewarding and allow you to really feel more calm and grounded and available to yourself and others to accomplish your own goals and shared goals as well. So we've talked a lot about mindfulness thus far, but now I want to talk about intent. And we really want to think about what our intent is when we're in any activity. And one of the most common places that we lose our intention is listening. So, listening intently is the same type of thing as active listening. So, we want to make sure that our intent is actually to hear what the other person is saying as opposed to thinking about the incoming and how we're going to respond to it. So, for this week, let's just think about listening intently and maybe taking 10 seconds before you respond to somebody and give yourself some space to do some thinking. Or if you need to come back to something, it's okay to say that to somebody as well. So that can help calm you because you don't have to feel like you're on point all the time. And if you don't know the answer to something, then you can own that as well. And that's the next tip that we'll talk about in our next video.